Hello everybody. In this video I'll be showing you how to install a silt fence with rebar and no digging required. Here's some photos of the before. There's some trees, but the path of the silt fence was pretty clear. We're going to be using 16 gauge rebar tie wires, but you can also go for rebar bar ties, although they're a little harder to get through the silt fence. So what you're gonna do is, this is a 2-foot tall silt fence with a wire back, and you're gonna be needing rebar that are 3 feet tall and some that are either the same or 2.5 feet tall, so 30 inches. You can get these from Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever is cheaper. I got them off of Facebook Marketplace. And I got some 10-foot rebar from Lowe's, cut that into 30-inch rebars. So the way to do this is on the side with the wire, you're going to want to interlace the rebar with the link. So on the top here, it goes through, over the next one, down, and then into the second from the bottom, and then back out over the last bottom one. And then you push it down to the extra bit of fabric and hammer it straight through so it's at least a foot into the ground. You're going to want to space these apart 10 to 20 feet, and in between each of these, on the other side where there isn't the chain link, you're going to put a rebar. It can be a little shorter. It's going to be flush with the bottom of the fence, and it's going to help provide stability for the other side of the fence so that the wind doesn't vibrate it too much and start tearing things. You're also going to want to fold the fence away from each rebar so that the wind doesn't rub against the rebar and it tears around the top. Corners are going to be, you're going to do corners by curving the fence. And when you run out of the fence, you're going to start the next one overlapped with the previous. Remember that with these silt fences, you're always pulling them tight while you're hammering the rebar. You need them not to be loose and dangling. And that's basically it. Make sure to get a little sledgehammer. Full sledgehammer isn't really necessary, but you don't want a simple construction hammer. You can find it online as something called either a drilling hammer or an engineer hammer. We used one similar to this. So what do y'all think? Do y'all think this is a good way to do it? Definitely beats digging, and the rebar with the wire fence are pretty sturdy. Follow for more, leave a like, and remember, building is easy.